Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you a different method of CPA market. Now I am showing site. Look at this. I am come to a new browser and write top page. Press enter. Going to this site and I need email. That's why I'm right media email. Press enter and copy this email. Now I'm a female and click here in your city. Yes, correct. Enter your first name and select your date of birth. Enter your email and enter your password and press sign up. When you press the sign up, then say verify your email address. Then I'm going to my email and look at this. It's a confirmation email. Now open this email and click here confirm registration and click this confirm and reload this page and upload a single photo in email and press save. Confirm and enter your height and write 5 and continue. Select your profile photo and resize it and done. Continue. If you want to write this word in something, then write and select what you prefer in your file. I need a mail, that's why I'm select mail and select age and continue. To contact and I'm click there. Then my profile is ready. Then I'm click a small tree. If you want, select any city. Just like and select Berlin, then look at this. It's provide Berlin account, Berlin people set. I'm click online and refresh result. Then look at this. Which people now online, then it's provide. If you select like and skip, if you need likes, a lot of likes, if you work some few minutes, then you get some SMS. When you get a SMS, then you provide your another social or chatting site such as Snapchat or email. When you need another city, then you write here such as New York state and refresh it and look at this. It's provide New York state. If you work some few hours, then you get a lot of traffic in your Snapchat and probably you select your city when this city's time zone is morning or late night. Then you get more traffic. Now I'm work some few minutes, then I'm looking this website, some likes, no message or manual attachment. And click here. Look at this and write some SMS. Write in a notepad. Send. Same as right here. Same as also right here. If you have some message, then you provide your social ID link, such as and provide my Snapchat link. And provide my Snapchat link, and some people are going to Snapchat or some people are not going. If you work some hour, then you get a more traffic in this lot of countries. That's all about my topic for CPA marketing. It's a very high conversion traffic source and high beneficiary traffic source in this world, and it's a very unique traffic source. If you had a new viewer in my YouTube channel, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and what types of video you needed, then comments please. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching my video.